and the monument which King Herod built for his family. Oh, wait. Now I see it better. True or not? It's not true. We already know that it's not the real tomb, but it's a Jewish tomb from King Herod time. Over rich men. Let's start with that the Jews never been married into the city, buried into the city. It's early Friday. I'm still in bed. And then they used to bury the people, the dead, outside the walls, and if the city is there, you saw it, and this is outside the wall. And this is a rich man tomb. Only rich people could build themselves a mansion as a tomb. And the unique thing here is that we found the rolling stone in situ. This is one of the few places that you can see it. Here it is. Oh, thank God they cleaned it. You can see the entrance to the tomb. And look at the rolling stone. Then for so many years, they thought that it's here, because you can see that something very important was here. That might be the monument that Josephus Flavius actually talked about. Beautiful monument. Now we know where King Herod was buried. We found it at another fortress that he built himself, Herodion. But it is a symbol of Jewish tombs. The Jews used to be buried at the same day, and